Hi everyone, welcome back to the Healing Plate. Malvika here, and as always, I'm joined by Advita.
Hey Malvika. Hey everyone. So today we are going to talk about a topic that I'm pretty sure many of us have experienced: bloating. Bloating is one of those things that can just ruin your day. It's that very, very uncomfortable feeling, like sometimes a painful feeling that makes your stomach feel like it's about to pop.
I totally agree, Advita. But you know what? There is one good thing that there are so many natural remedies that can help. For example, let's just take some five powerful ingredients that can easily help in bloating and make us feel comfortable again.
Yes, so that's the goal of today's podcast. So we're going to dive right in and speak about the very first ingredient, which is ginger. Ginger is one of my most favorite ingredients because of the smell and the taste of it. And it is just more than a spice, it's a powerhouse for a digestive health. And there is also a magic compound in ginger, which is called gingerol.
Advita, did you know that gingerol is what in ginger gives the spice kick? Exactly, and that is what makes us, enjoy the taste of the ginger and feel yummy, yummy in our tummy.
Absolutely. Ginger's compound gingerol helps in emptying the stomach quickly, which means it fastens the digestion, making sure that you do not have food backing up, causing gas or digestion. Gingerol also has anti-inflammatory property, which means it heals your stomach from within.
Exactly. You know, the reason behind this is because gingerol has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. But what makes it the more heroic thing about it is that it speeds up the emptying of our stomach. You know, as soon as you feel a discomfort in the stomach, they say, okay, just, munch on this, take a inch of a ginger and just chew on it. And that will help lessen the chance of building up gas or even cause bloating.
So we also know ginger will help relax our muscles in the gut. So it usually reduces that very uncomfortable feeling, right? When you are bloated, you have this tightness in your stomach. And that's exactly what ginger will help relieve. So it is like a gentle massage for your insides.
Speaking of relaxing, Advita, you know the next ingredient that's very good and great remedy for bloating? Peppermint. And the reason why peppermint is another good ingredient is because it has a very soothing effect on our digestive tract.
And you all need to know why you have the soothing effect from peppermint, and the compound that helps is called menthol. So, menthol will help relax the muscles in your intestine, and this will reduce the spasm that causes, the tightness in the stomach and the gas. So, this is also helpful when you have bloating because of IBS. Some of you might be suffering from irritable bowel syndrome, and peppermint is a very nice way to relieve gas if you do have IBS.
Very true, Advita. And you know, the best part is that the peppermint can be so easily added in our daily routine. You either add crushed peppermint leaves in a glass of water and drink it, or simply just take a few peppermint leaves and start chewing or munching on it. So refreshing, it is.
Fun fact: did you know ancient Egyptians used peppermint tea to treat their digestion issues? I definitely think they were onto something.
Oh wow, that was really amazing. Next up, let's take another ingredient which is very, very easily available in our kitchens and very commonly used in Indian cooking: turmeric, also known as haldi. You know what? The turmeric has this compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti inflammatory effects.
Correct. I'm pretty sure all of you have heard about turmeric and why it is very, very important in the Indian cooking, especially because turmeric is the hero of most of the dishes that we make, be it curries, be it masalas. Most of it will definitely feature turmeric in it. And like Malvika said, Curcumin will not only fight inflammation, but it will also stimulate bile production. And bile helps in digestion.
Plus, turmeric adds the golden color to the dishes. It's like the sunshine spice of Indian spices. Let's move on to another amazing ingredient, fennel seeds. These fennel seeds are very tiny, but did you know that they are packed with a compound called anethol? And these anethols have antispasmodic property. Okay, so let me tell what this antispasmodic is. It's basically it helps in relaxing your muscles in your digestive tract. Once those muscles are relaxed and everything, obviously it reduces gas, increase in gas or bloating.
True. So, fennel seeds are also known for their carminative properties. Another fancy word for just saying it helps you expel gas from digestive system.
There's one more good ingredient, or not ingredient, I would say, a very common fruit that we usually consume, but I'm not sure if most of us were aware what property it contains that helps it in, becoming a very digestive, very good fruit for our digestive tract. It's none other than papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit, not only delicious, but it also has enzyme called papain. Papain is, the enzyme which has a property which helps in breaking down the protein in the stomach. This breaking down of protein makes the digestion more smoother and reduces the possibility of bloating or gas buildup. But papaya is also rich in fiber and vitamin A as well as C. It is like almost getting, a nutritional boost, and also prevents the bloating and keeps your digestive system in regular track and a good check.
So, I'm pretty sure most of you would have been told have a banana or have a papaya if you're having digestive problems or if you're having constipation. So, the minute you have constipation, gas and bloating comes following it. So, the best way to relieve your bloating is also to consume papaya and help relieve, constipation and thus relieving gas and bloating.
So very truly said, Advita. And I think there's nothing better than using these natural ingredients that are easily available for us for curing or helping all our, discomforts like bloating and gas buildup. So here we had covered 5 fantastic ingredients that would help you beat the bloat. That was ginger, peppermint, turmeric, fennel seeds, and papaya. And I'm sure it's very, very easily available and effective also. Here's to a bloat-free health. Cheers!
Cheers to that.